It is raining. Yeah, I'm going to leave that there. I'm going inside the grocery to buy pin because yeah, I locked the door of the house. I mean, it's locked. I will tell you later. I bought this pin. This is $4. This hair pin. Yeah, the one that ladies using for their hair. Yeah, I'm going to use this to unlock the door because my landlord is not yet there and I don't want to disturb him. The rain is heavy actually, and the rain is actually getting heavy and heavier. Yeah, I'm going to wear now my rain trouser. Yeah, it is now 6:30 and I made it to get inside by breaking the window. Yeah, the landlord doesn't have extra key. I mean, he has extra key, but it doesn't work. I don't know why. Because the guy who picks this, he locked the door. He locked it because I keep it open when I leave the house because I know that he's going to work here. But yeah, he locked it and I forgot the key. The key is here. Yeah, it's nice. It's still good now, but need to be clean. Yeah, I can see the mark of the hands, the fingerprint. It's there. And because of that, I am very hungry. We're going to cook the noodles. I just took it from my locker. This is the gift from the company. What is inside is this crinkle wood vineyard. I don't know which wine, white wine. And it also comes with this Ferrero chocolate. And also the gift card last time. 1, 2, 3. So if you notice here, I have 3 wine. 2017 Christmas, 2018 Christmas, and then 2019 I gave it to Adam. Adam is one of our kitchen hand. He said he don't have, so I gave it to him. And then this is the 2020 Christmas gift. Yeah, I don't drink. I am sometimes tempted to drink that, but I know I will be getting drunk. So these are the things that I bought from the Asian store: noodles, mongo beans, and pork. When I went to Walmart, I bought this rocket. But I think I put too much water. Yeah, I put too much water. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are now here in the park where I usually do my chin up and pull ups. I'm not going to do that today because I'm feeling very tired. Yeah, it was very busy. Yeah, from 5:30 when I start my duty until 2 o'clock when I sign out. Yeah, I'm very tired and hungry. That's why I stopped in the shop to buy this yeah, like a Gatorade. There's Powerade. Yeah, I am supposed to order fish and chips or something to eat, but there are many people in there, very busy. Look at this, in here also many people. I noticed that there is one water police. Yeah, they are checking everything along the water. That's good. We are going to stop here. I will show you how much people there is here. Today is a little high tide. Yeah, and this is how it is. There is one boat here, and there are many people in there. They are doing their things. Oh, the water. And you notice that there are many people on that side. Really nice. And there is one guy doing that kind of windsurfing. So yeah, that's it. It's good. Yeah, that is how it is. Okay, we are home. And this is the backpack that I used today, because this one was wet of rainwater yesterday. Yeah, in here it was raining. I'm going to prepare my meal. Let's open this. This is what I am going to eat. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock and started at 5:30 in the morning. So today, because it is not raining, we're going to do some pull-ups. There's a family having a picnic at the moment. Really nice. Okay, that's it. We're going now. Oh, when I finished the chin-up pull-up, Jay or Jake, yeah, so basically he's the one of the teenager guys that I always see around in the town. Yeah, the same like in the Philippines, you know, that there are always some people you see everywhere. Yeah, like one of those guys. And he is asking to borrow this bike later at 4 o'clock. I think it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. They are nice. I mean, nice. They are nice to me. Oh, there's a group of people in there. They are swimming. And as expected, this is how it is at the moment in here. Look at them. They have a racer bike and they can easily get up here. Nice. Good afternoon. Rafael has the same bike like that. And that's really fast. I remember when I went to Newcastle having this bike, I saw many people, cyclists, and they are faster than me, even if I'm on electric bike. And there are many people here at the moment. But we're not going there. We're going home now. Yeah, I just took some money from here and I saw a message that this machine is going to be removed. Okay, we are home and I'm going to do my laundry. I actually put it already here yesterday, but yeah, let me first prepare the meal that I'm going to eat. This is going to be this mongo beans. The mongo beans will cook for a long time, so I am first going to fry some egg. Actually, let's also add some onion to to make it really flavorful. I believe you are aware that this is a lazy way of cooking. And we are also going to have this Lipton lemon iced tea. In the Philippines we have something like this, but the brand is C2. I'm not sure if that one is still, if we have is still in there. I'm going to pay my house rent. Yeah, $250, but my landlord is not yet here. And my laundry is drying. I hope it is going to dry until, yeah, before the sunset. And I'm actually waiting for Jay, but he didn't come. He said he's coming to borrow the bike by 4:30. It's already 5:15. Still, yeah, still 10 minutes for the news. Yeah, they are now playing for $50,000. Yeah, it's not yet dry, so I'm going to keep it here in the laundry area. Oh, the lady just won $1,000. And it is now the news. Yeah, I just put the pork crackling, and now I'm going to put some of this rocket leaves.